Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet. So first we will make a chain. In this tutorial I'm going to make 12 chains in total. So now we will skip 2 loops from the hook, 1 and 1 and 2. So we will insert the hook on the third loop. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third loop, pull it through, and you will have 3 loops on the hook like this. And then yarn over again, pull it through. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the next loop, pull it through. Again you will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again and pull it over again. So we will make this until we reach to the end of the loop. So when you reach at the end of the loop, make 2 chains, turn your work, so yarn over again, insert your hook on the same loop, yarn over again and pull it through. Yarn over again, insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over again and pull it through. So continue to make this until the end of the loop. So this is how half double crochet look like in 2 rows. So you're done. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next tutorial.